Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to prevent WhatsApp Web from automatically downloading files on your PC. If you often use WhatsApp Web and notice that images, videos, or documents are saving without your permission, this update gives you full control. Let's go step by step. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser and log in as you normally would. You'll see your chats displayed just like on your phone. Now, look at the top of the screen next to the web address bar. There, you'll find a small icon, usually a lock or information symbol called View Site Information. Click on it. Once that small menu appears, you'll see an option to open Settings. Click on Settings to view more control options for the website. This is where you manage permissions such as camera access, notifications, and now automatic downloads. Under the section called Permissions, find and click on More Settings Permissions. This will open a detailed list of all the access settings for WhatsApp Web, including one that controls file downloads. Now, look for the option labeled Automatic Downloads. You'll see a drop-down menu or toggle next to it. From there, choose Block. This setting stops WhatsApp Web from automatically downloading files to your PC without your approval. And that's it. From now on, every time someone sends you photos, videos, or documents on WhatsApp Web, those files won't download automatically. You'll decide manually which ones you want to save. This simple adjustment not only helps you manage your storage space, but also improves security, preventing unwanted or suspicious files from downloading in the background. It's a small change with a big impact, giving you more control over your browser and file management. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore more quick tips to keep your app safe and efficient.